Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Arshi Ansari. तुझे वक्त बदलना है। फ्रॉग्स, मेंढक, टर टर, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, इतना कुछ नहीं इसमें एलाबोरेट किया गया है। जो जो चीज़ें हैं हम सिर्फ वही पढ़ेंगे और ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन इतने नहीं हैं आए हुए फ्रॉग से। बट अब जब एनटीए ने अनाउंस कर दिया है कि फ्रॉग पढ़ना है तो फ्रॉग पढ़ना है। ठीक है। फ्रॉग कैन लिव बोथ ऑन लैंड एंड इन फ्रेश वाटर एंड बिलोंग टू क्लास एम्फीबिया और फाइलम कॉर्डेटा। द मोस्ट कॉमन स्पीशी ऑफ फ्रॉग फाउंड इन इंडिया इज राना टिग्रीना. They do not have constant body temperature, that their body temperature varies with the environment of the with the temperature of the environment. Such animals are cold blooded poikilotherms. You might have also noticed changes in the color of the frogs. Color badlu, rang badlu, while they are in green or on dry land. They have the ability to change the color to hide them from their enemies. Camouflage. This protective coloration is called mimicry. You may also know that frogs are not seen during peak summer and winter. सिर्फ बरसातों में बाहर आते हैं. During this period, they take shelter in deep burrows to protect them from extreme heat एंड कोल्ड. कितने सही है. और यहाँ गर्मी हो रही है और हमें इतनी तपती गर्मी में कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है और इनके पास ऑप्शन है कि घुस जाते हैं नीचे जमीन के अंदर. दिस इज नोन एज समर स्लीप एस्टिवेशन एंड विंटर स्लीप हाइबरनेशन. ना तो ज्यादा सर्दी से दिक्कत है इन्हें ना ज्यादा गर्मी से. दोनों को ओवरकम करने के लिए इनके पास एक फॉर्मूला है कि छुप जाओ. और हमारे पास कुछ नहीं है, फेस करो सब कुछ. मॉर्फोलॉजी. Have you ever touched the skin of frog? The skin is smooth and slippery due to the presence of mucus. The skin is always maintained in a moist condition. The color of dorsal side of frog is generally olive green. Question आया हुआ है with dark irregular spots. On the ventral side, the skin is uniformly pale yellow. The frog never drink water but absorb it through the skin. ये statement वाला question है और शायद ये किसी एलन के टेस्ट में था. Body of a frog is divisible into head and trunk. A neck and tail are absent. Above the mouth, a pair of nostrils are present. Eyes are bulged and covered by nictitating membrane that protect them while in water. On either side, इनके पास अपना पहले ही स्विमिंग ग्लासेस होते हैं, खुद ही ऑटो, मतलब गॉड गिफ्टेड, कि इन्हें लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. पानी में जाएंगे तो डिक्टेटिंग मेम्ब्रेन अपने आप ऊपर आके प्रोटेक्ट कर लेगी. On either side of eyes, a membranous tympanum ear receive sound signal. The forelimbs and hind limbs help in swimming, walking, leaping, and burrowing. The hind limbs are in 5 digit and they are larger and muscular than forelimbs that end in 4 digit. Feet have webbed digits that help in swimming. Frogs exhibit sexual dimorphism. Dimorphism. Male frog can be distinguished by the presence of sound producing vocal sacs and also a copulatory pad on the first digit of the forelimbs, which are absent in female frog. एनाटॉमी पे आते हैं. द बॉडी कैविटी ऑफ फ्रॉग अकोमोडेट डिफरेंट ऑर्गन सिस्टम सच एज डाइजेस्टिव, सर्कुलेटरी, रेस्पिरेटरी, नर्वस, सर्कुलेटरी, excretory and reproductive system with well developed structure and function. The digestive system consists of alimentary canal and digestive gland. The alimentary canal is short because frog are carnivorous, बट जो टेडपोल होते हैं वो नहीं होते कार्निवोरस, वो हर्बीवोर्स होते हैं. हैंस द लेंथ ऑफ इंटेस्टाइन इज रिड्यूस. द माउथ ओपन्स इनटू द बक्कल कैविटी दैट lead to the esophagus through the pharynx. Esophagus is a short tube that open into the stomach, which in turn continue as the intestine, rectum and finally open outside the cloaca. Cloaca बहुत जगह भी आप देखने को मिलेगा. Liver secrete bile that is stored by the gallbladder. Pancreas, a digestive gland, produce pancreatic juice containing digestive enzyme. Food is captured by the bilobe tongue. Digestion of food takes place by the action of HCl and gastric juices secreted from the walls of the stomach. Partially digested food called chyme is passed from stomach to the first part of the small intestine, the duodenum. The duodenum receive, हमारे जैसा duodenum they also have. The duodenum receive bile from gallbladder and pancreatic juice from the pancreas through a common bile duct. Bile emulsifies fat and pancreatic juice digest carbohydrate and protein. Final digestion takes place in the intestine. Digested food is absorbed by the numerous finger-like folds in the inner wall of intestine called villi or microvilli. The undigested solid waste move into the rectum and pass out through cloaca. Frog respire फिगर देख लेते हैं एक बारी, छुट्टी करके आएगी क्या एक साथ स्क्रीन पर। हाँ तो जी ये हार्ट दिखा दिया, एसोफेगस, लीवर, स्टमक, इंटेस्टाइन, रेक्टम, क्लोएका। दिस इज द क्लोएका जिसकी बहुत ज़्यादा बात हो रही है, और ये क्लोएका पार्चर दिखा दिया गया है। यूरिनरी ब्लैडर, यूरेटर, किडनी, फैट बॉडीज, लंग, गॉल ब्लैडर, सब कुछ ही है इसके पास हमारे जैसा मोस्ट ऑफ द चीज़ें। फिर किस बात का एम्फीबियन है ये। चलें आगे बढ़ते हैं। फ्रॉग रेस्पायर ऑन लैंड एंड इन वाटर बाय टू डिफरेंट मेथड। इन वाटर skin acts as aquatic respiratory organ. Cutaneous respiration, dissolve oxygen in the water is exchanged through the skin by diffusion. On land, the buccal cavity, skin and lungs act as respiratory organs. All this is important. The respiration by lungs is called pulmonary respiration. The lungs are pair of elongated pink color sac-like structure present in the upper part of the trunk region, thorax. Air enter through the nostril into the buccal cavity and then to lungs. During estivation and hibernation, gases exchange take place through skin. The vascular system of frog is well developed. Closed type frog have a lymphatic system also. The blood vascular system involves heart, blood vessel and blood. The lymphatic system consists of lymph channels and lymph nodes. Heart is a muscular structure situated in the upper part of the body. It has 3 chambers, 2 atria and 1 ventricle, and is covered by a membrane called pericardium. A triangular structure called the sinus venosus join the right atrium. It receives blood through the major veins called vena cava. The ventricle open into a sac-like conus arteriosus. On the ventral side of the heart, the blood from the heart is carried to all part of the body by the arteries. Arterial system, the vein collect blood from different part of body to the heart, and from the venous system. Special venous connection between liver and intestine as well as the kidney and lower part of the body are present in frogs. The former is called hepatic portal system and the later is called renal portal system. ठीक है, liver and intestine, hepatic portal system, kidney and lower parts, renal portal system. The blood is composed of plasma and cell. The blood cell are RBC or erythrocyte, WBC and leukocyte, and platelets. RBC are nucleated. This is the distinctive feature, and contain red colored pigment, namely hemoglobin. The lymph is different from blood. It lacks few protein and RBC. The blood carries nutrient, gases and water to the respective site. During the circulation of blood is achieved by the pumping action of the muscular heart. The elimination of nitrogenous waste is carried out by a well-developed excretory system. The excretory system consists of a pair of kidney, ureter, cloaca, and urinary bladder. These are compact, dark red, and bean-like structures situated a little posterior in the body cavity and on both sides of ventral column. Each kidney is composed of several structural and functional units called uniferous tubule or nephrons. 2 ureter emerge from the kidney in the male frog. The ureter acts as urogenital duct which open into the cloaca. अभी डाइजेशन में भी क्लोएका आया था, एक्सक्रीटरी में भी क्लोएका आ गया। क्लोएका सबको अपने अंदर आके खुलवा लेता है कि आओ मेरे अंदर ओपन हो जाओ। In female, the ureter and oviduct open secretly in the cloaca. The thin-walled urinary bladder is present ventral to the rectum, which also open in the cloaca. The frog excrete urea and thus is a ureotelic animal. Excretory waste are carried by blood into the kidney, where it is separated and excreted. The system for control and coordination is highly evolved in the frog. It includes both neural system and endocrine gland. The chemical coordination of various organs of the body is achieved by hormones which are secreted by the endocrine gland. The prominent glands found in the frog: pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, pineal body, pancreatic, islets, adrenal, and gonads. The nervous system is organized into a central nervous system, brain and spinal cord, a peripheral nervous system, cranial and spinal nerves, and an autonomic nervous system, sympathetic and parasympathetic. There are 10 pair of cranial nerves arising from the brain. Brain is enclosed in the bony structure called brain box, cranium. The brain is divided into forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Forebrain include olfactory lobe, paired cerebral hemisphere, and unpaired diencephalon. And हमारे अंदर होता है paired. The midbrain is characterized by a pair of optic lobes. Hindbrain consists of cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata passes out through the foramen magnum and continues into spinal cord, which is enclosed in the vertebral column. Male reproductive system अभी ये आगे आएगा. Frog has different type of sense organ, namely organ of touch, sensory papillae, taste buds, smell, nasal epithelium, vision, eyes, and hearing. Tympanum with the internal ears. Out of these, eyes and internal are well organized structure, and rest are cellular aggregate around the nerve endings. Eyes in a frog are a pair of spherical structures situated in the orbit in skull. These are simple eyes possessing only one unit. External ear is absent in frogs, and only tympanum can be seen externally. The ear is an organ of hearing as well as balancing equilibrium. Frogs have well organized male and female reproductive system. Male reproductive organ consists of a pair of yellowish ovoid testes, figure 7.31. ठीक है, अब आया है यहाँ पे, और इसमें सिर्फ मेल में किडनी का रोल होता है, फीमेल वाले में किडनी का कोई रोल नहीं होता. इसको ध्यान रखें, स्टेटमेंट वाले क्वेश्चन में ऐसा क्वेश्चन बन के आता है. Which are found adhered to the upper part of kidney by a double fold of peritoneum called mesochorium. Vasa efferentia 10 to 12 in number that arise from testes. They enter the kidney on their side and open into bladder canal. Finally, it communicates with the urogenital duct that come out of the kidney and open into the cloaca. ये भी cloaca में आके खुल गया. These cloaca is a small median chamber that is used to pass fecal matter, urine, sperm to the exterior. Very very simple. Vasa efferentia दिखाइए, testes, adrenal gland, rectum, urinary bladder, cloacal aperture, cloaca, urogenital tract, fat bodies. आगे आते हैं. The female reproductive organ include a pair of ovaries, figure 7.22. The ovaries are situated near kidney, not kidney का कोई रोल नहीं है उसमें. There is no functional connection with kidney. A pair of oviduct arising from the ovaries open into the cloaca separately. A mature female can lay 2,500 to 3,000 ova at a time. Fertilization is external and takes place in water. Development involves a larval stage called tadpole. Tadpole undergo metamorphosis to form the adult for a beneficial. Frogs are beneficial for mankind because they eat insects and protect the crop. Frog maintain ecological balance because they serve as an important link of food chain and food web in the ecosystem. In some countries, the muscular leg of frog are used as food by men. खाया भी जाता है इन्हें भाई. फ्रॉग वाला पोर्शन पढ़ लेते हैं हम इसमें अपना समरी का. The Indian bullfrog Rana tigrina is the common frog found in India. Body is covered by skin. Mucus gland are present in the skin, which is highly vascularized and help in respiration in water and on land. Body is divisible into head and trunk. A muscular tongue present, which is bilobe at the tip and is used in the capturing In capturing the prey, the alimentary canal consists of esophagus, stomach, intestine, and rectum, which open into the cloaca. The main digestive gland are liver and pancreas. It can respire in water, through skin, and through lungs. On land, circulatory system is closed with single circulation. RBC or nucleated nervous system is organized into central, peripheral, and autonomic. The organ of urogenital system are kidney and urogenital duct, which open into a cloaca. The male reproductive organ is pair of testes. The female reproductive organ is a pair of ovaries. A female lays 2500 to 3000 ova at a time. The fertilization and development are external. The eggs hatch into tadpole, which metamorphose into frogs. Like, share, subscribe my channel, and stay tuned.